In this video, we will guide you through how to delete the default cube in Blender. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So when you open Blender for the first time, you will always see the default cube in the center of your screen. If you want to start fresh, the first thing that you need to do is simply just click on the cube to select it, and once that it is selected, you can just press X key on your keyboard and then confirm the delete by just clicking on delete, or you can also press enter. Now there is also another way you can delete it. You can also select the cube and press the delete key on your keyboard, and it will be successfully deleted just like that. And now your scene is completely empty and ready to use. Now you might notice that every time you open new Blender file, the cube comes back again. If you want to permanently remove it so you never have to delete it again, here is what you can do. First, just select the cube and delete it like you would normally. And once you have done that, just go to the top left and click on File. From there, you will see an option labeled as Defaults. And when you hover over Defaults, you will see an option labeled as Save Startup File. Just click on it and click on Overwrite. Now the Blender will remember this as your default scene. From now on, every time you open Blender, it will start with a blank scene without the default cube. And that's it. That's how you delete the default cube in Blender and make it permanent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.